All right, let's take a look at a brand new watch band for your Apple Watch. So let's go ahead and take a look at it and see how it works, and let's put it together. So I actually got this for my wife because she actually wanted a new band. But if you guys can notice, this is a beautiful one. And I'm going to put it together right now. They give you the actual band itself. So you can actually even make it smaller than what it is right now because it's very simple. All you have to do is remove the old one and put in the new one. All right. And then on top of that, they give you the actual case itself. So because this it's very fragile in some of the areas. I dent it already. I hit a scratches a couple of things, and but this is actually pretty good, and it's in rose gold. If you guys can see it, beautiful colors. Turn it around so you guys can see that. This is plastic. This is metal, and it's the wristband that you have to mess around with it and tighten it up. And they give you the tools to remove them and make them shorter. If you guys can see that, everything's included in here, so you don't have to really mess too much with it or have knowledge of how to remove it because it's very simple. This thing will automatically remove one of the notches and then you go add it into there. So very simple, easy to use. So let's go ahead and put it together and see how it looks. There we go. Move it, take it out. Let's find it in the top. Do the same thing, but first you got to make sure you put in the actual wristwatch, right? And if you guys can see it, this actually belongs in here. It was well fit, and to get it in there, all you got to do is from the top, right? Before you actually set up the actual wristband itself. And this is plastic, so you don't have to worry about too much about if it gets damaged or anything like that, because it's very flexible. And there it is. It fits perfect. Beautiful. Beautiful, stylish, if you guys can see that. And the knob itself, you could actually move it around still, and you still have your microphone, your button on the side. You could click on it, and everything's still in the same place that it's supposed to be. All you got to do is now you just slide in the new one. If you guys can see that, let's go ahead and slide it in. There, that's it. Perfect, elegant watch for women or men, but this is a women's watch. And all you got to do is connect it. Beautiful watch, elegant. So if you're going to give this as a present, you could do this as an extra. And it's an old-fashioned watch, if you guys can see that. Very elegant, beautiful details.